Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to reset your Fire Stick to factory default if you've forgotten your PIN. Now, let's come all the way right when we're on the Fire Stick home screen. Then if we come down and select Preferences, you see we need to enter a PIN to enter our preferences. So we can't change the PIN. So what we will need to do is go to My Fire TV from the settings. Once you're in My Fire TV, you'll see Reset to Factory Default. However, as you can see, you still need to enter a PIN. So what you want to do is press the back button. Then you want to press Reset to Factory Default again. And then you want to press the back button and then Reset to Factory Default. And you want to repeat this process 5 to 7 times. May need a few more extra. However, once that happens, all of a sudden this will pop up, Reset to Factory Default, and then you'll be able to select Reset, and this will reset your Fire Stick to factory default if you've forgotten your PIN. So that should help you out even if you've forgotten your Fire Stick PIN. But remember, this will delete all the items off your Fire Stick and you'll need to reinstall and enter all your passwords again. So if you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.